Hi, I'm Damien Key, and I live in Australia. My fellow robot maker Dimmy from Belgium has asked me to test out his new Spike robot creation. I should be able to monitor and control his robot from here, literally on the other side of the world. This is done via my smartphone or tablet device and a simple internet connection. Alright, first up, let's see if I can send Dimmy's robot a text message. So I'm going to click into here and say, "Greetings from Australia." And if I press the send, that message gets sent from my tablet device here in Australia all the way to Dimmy's robot in Belgium. Alright, next up, let's see if I can control his robot. There's a little lever on his robot which goes up and down, and he set up this nice little button where I press it here and the lever goes up. Another button and the lever goes down. Also on his robot, he's got a little dial to show how many times the ball has gone past the machine. And I can control that dial from here as well. So I can slide it up and it moves around. I slide it back and it moves back again. So these are commands coming from my tablet device here in Australia all the way to Dimmy's robot in Belgium. Now he also has a program on his Spike robot. And what that allows me to do is I can now start that program remotely from my end. So I'm going to click on this button here, start program continuous balls. And that will now start up the program and start running through. And the great thing about his little device is it's also sending me information back. It's showing me how many times the ball has gone past, and it's showing me the location of those lift arms going up and down. Some really lovely graphs that have been sent back, again, all the way from Belgium back to my smart device here in Australia. Alright, I can also stop the program from my end. And so that's how I control his robot from the other side of the world. I'm going to hand back to Dimmy now so he can explain the other amazing functions in his robot.